This is a rental car.
No, it's not.
We're doing reverse donuts right now.
I wanna be the best in the game, invest in my name, check no restraints, I'm obsessed with the pain, I ingest, I retain, assess and I change, possessed by the thought I'll be...
Oh no, you're not gonna do what I think you're gonna do.
Yeah, I'm gonna do what you think I'm gonna do.
Oh no.
Yeah, you're gonna hold it too.
No.
Yo, this is day one of the freeze, yo. Day one of the freeze. And we got some snacks at HEB. Look at this. Look at all of this, yo. The Altima is all-terrain right now. Altima is all-terrain.
They need to change that. It's not Dollar Tree. It's $1.25 tree.
Yeah, and in California it's $2 tree. Why are you holding on for like dear life?
Because I am holding on for dear life.
Yeah, that Q7 needs a jump start. That should need a battery. That little F30 not gonna be able to jump it. It's cold. Fun fact: batteries die more in the winter.
Thank you.
Just so you know.
Thanks, sir.
Yo, Altima's doing work right now.
Why are there shopping carts right there?
God.
Oh, I can't go through there.
Said who?
The shopping carts.
Yo, how's a Tahoe getting stuck right there?
Because this is Altima.
Yo, actually, front-wheel drive cars do way better in the snow.
Okay, thank you.
Because like the Tahoe like that, if it's on a rear-wheel drive, the ass is only pushing, and then that's it. On here, the front of your car is pulling you.
So what you're saying?
Even if you're going uphill. Because I remember like when it froze over in Atlanta, all the cars that made it uphill were front-wheel drive. Everything else got stuck.
So what you're saying is we have a better chance in surviving, it might be.
We have the ultimate driving machine right now.
The ultimate? Get ultimate?
I'm not putting that in the video.
Yes, you are.
Shee! Look at that. Yo, I should slow down.
Please.
It's not as bad as last year.
Obviously.
Because last year, like this little hill right here, you would be driving like this and out of nowhere your car would just be sliding all the way into that house. So I was just going like 6 miles an hour.
Oh no.
Well, turn this down a little bit. We got traction control off. We're gonna see if we can get right here. Put it in reverse. Put it in reverse, Terry. Put it in reverse. Oh, this is good. We got a ghetto pump in the window. There it is. There it is. There it is. Let's see if we can get the reverse over here. This is a rental car.
No, it's not.
We're doing reverse donuts right now. Oh.
Are we done?
I don't know. Do you want to be done?
Yes, I'm getting really dizzy again.
Again?
Again.
No, we're definitely not done.
Oh, no. What are you doing now?
Wow, we're actually losing traction over here. This is really slick. Let's turn traction control back on.
Am I supposed to keep recording you?
I mean, yeah, I guess.
Oh, yes. say cut.
Alright, let's go and just show how everything is processed. This is just like day one.
And it's starting to ice again. Fall, sleet?
Yeah, because like what happened last year, it's just like what happened right now. It rained, it was cold rain, and then it froze, and then we had freezing rain. So
and now we have freezing rain.
yeah, freezing rain. So now it's not as bad right now because the rain and the sleet and everything kind of stopped.
However,
But tonight is actually going to get colder.
and it's definitely gonna freeze, huh?
Yeah, and then I think it may even be like a layer
Of ice.
of ice of what happened last year. So if I can't do donuts in the Tahoe, you know, I'm gonna do donuts in the Altima.
Oh no. Who the fuck is at my job?
You know that person?
As you can see, people, we are closed. Yet some asshole wants to come in. Oh. Who do you think you are coming to my
that's
job?
like a customer.
Yeah. Who do you think you are, sir? I'm gonna put you on blast. Oh no.
You having fun now?
No! I got mocos coming out. I'm not having fun.
Yeah, you are.
Okay, that is getting me.
I wonder what that person's thinking.
You should go ask them.
It's a Karen. You can't do that here. You can't do that. Yo, I smell oil.
I wonder why.
But I smelled gas even like when we first got in this thing. So
So did I. Let's just park this bad boy and call it a day.
yeah, we're just gonna park this bad boy because I'm not even gonna speak on what I want to speak about right now. Oh, there we go.
What about my transmission going out?
We don't speak of the unspoken words that
Well,
don't need to be spoken of during speaking times. Shh. Okay.
Look, there
I
was.
just got good with automatic transmission problems on my end. I don't have anything in the CVT world. Okay. Those words came out of your mouth.
Well, you were thinking then.
All right. Well, let's go eat some pizza now.
What's your pizza?
Yo.